What is good, everybody? Flashpool here, back with yet another unboxing video for you guys today. You can already see it is a DHL box. Let's see what is inside here, and let's just open this up. Okay, so here's the box. Let's check it out. On this side it says Yeezy Boost 350 Yeezy Supply Adidas. And on the shoe tag over here it says Yeezy Boost 350. These are size 9.5, and these are the colorway Oxford Tans. And these shoes are actually coming from sneakerahead.net. We'll leave the link down below if you want to go ahead and check out their website. So let's just open this up. When you first open up the box, there is this paper bag right here. It just says Yeezy Boost 350 Yeezy Supply Adidas, just like the box. And it does come with this big receipt right here. It says Foot Locker, etc. And also it includes a Oxford Tan Yeezy keychain, really dope. So let's just check these shoes out. So here are the Oxford Tans. Let's get a quick 360 of these. Alright, let's start on the pull tab over here. Here's the pull tab right there. Check it out. This one is really nice and sturdy, not flimsy at all. And let's count the dots. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dots throughout here in the box. Here's the upper material right here, the beige color, and it does have a pattern, kind of like a grayish color. And as you can see, it does curve up and go to the collar of the ankle over there. Here's the suede patch. This one's really nice and soft with the Adidas logo on there. Let's go to the front of the shoe. Here's the front, and it does have stitching down the line from the toe all the way up here to the tongue area. Looks really nice and detailed right there. Here are the laces in a brown color. Here are the lace tips. Looking pretty good. Here's the midsole of the shoe. Looking real nice. Let's check out the bottoms. Here's the bottom of the shoe. And as you can see, Boost is peeking out of these two little windows right here. It says Adidas right there with the Adidas logo. And here's the Boost material right here. And let's count the little freckles. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 freckles on these Boosts. And let's squish it real quick. Nice and squishy. And it does have the Boost texture and material. It looks nice. And the very bottom, it just says Boost right here. So let's check out the interior of the shoe. It does have padding in the back right here, as you can see. Nice and comfy. Let's check out the insoles of the shoes. Here are the insoles in a beige color. Here is the Adidas lettering right here. Here's the Adidas logo, Yeezy. Here's the bottom insole in all white. Here's the Adidas logo. And as you can see, it does have perforation in the inner suede patch right there. Nice and soft. And it does have a strip right there from the heel down to the toe to cover the stitching. Really nice. And it looks pretty great quality. Right here. Here's the other shoe. Pretty much the same thing. It just has a little tag right there. But anyways. Okay, so these sneakers are coming from sneakerahead.net. Go ahead and check it out. I'll leave the link down below in the descriptions. And these are actually $150 on their website, so go ahead and check it out. And if you guys like this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. And in the comments down below, please tell me your opinions of these shoes. Do you guys like them? Did you not like them? Did you see any flaws on these pairs? I would like to know. And if you guys like my stuff, you like my content, you like my videos, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate that. And as always, everybody, have a good one.